dubur kulli salah. The adhkār after the salah. There are two things which are mentioned with that wording. One is dua and one is dhikr. So what is the time for each one? If a dua is mentioned dubur kulli salah, after every prayer, the meaning is in the tashahhud before the taslim. For example, the hadith of Mu'adh, in which the Prophet ﷺ said, Ya Mu'adh, inni uhibbuk. Or he said, inni la uhibbuk. He said, oh Mu'adh, I love you. So don't leave at the end of every prayer, meaning before the taslim, in the tashahhud, without saying, Allahumma a'inni ala dhikrika wa shukrika wa husni ibadatik. This is inside the prayer. If it's a dhikr, which is mentioned dubur kulli salah, then the meaning is after the taslim. So the dhikr after the salah, ayatul kursi, protects you from one prayer to the next. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. Until the end of the ayah number 255 from Surah Al-Baqarah, a person will be protected bi'idhnillahi ta'ala from that prayer until the next prayer. What about if you also read the mu'awwidhat? Qul huwallahu ahad, Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq, Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. One time after every prayer except Fajr and Maghrib. 3 times, protected for the whole day, protected for the whole morning, protected from one prayer to the next. Bearing in mind that Al-Falaq and Al-Nas cover every single kind of evil. Because Allah said, قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ مِنْ شَرِّ مَا خَلَقَ. And all of the shurur, every type of evil is covered in it.